The following video is a Walter HELITRONIC power CNC grinder. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration for you today.
All right, we've already got it powered up. We're going to go ahead and go through all the different axes on this. We're going to go ahead and start with the C axis. All right, our A axis. Then our X. Y. Here's our Z. Alright, that's it for our axis. We'll go ahead and fire up the spindle. We'll set it for 1,000 RPM. Alright, she's running at 1,000 RPM right now. We'll go ahead and step her up to 3,000. 3,000. 5,000. 8,000. 'Cause that's the maximum RPM for this one.
Currently at 8,000.
Well, 6854.
The following video is a Walter HELITRONIC power CNC grinder.